Guys, this is Bob Bagami for Laurie Lee Inman. As you can see, we're doing the Charlie Charlie challenge. Third take, so let's get on with this. Mom, can you shut the door, please? I'm doing a YouTube video for the third time. There's no one here with me, so yeah, let's just get on with this. Charlie, Charlie, are you there? Yes. I heard whispers in my ears. I'm getting these weird whispers in my ears. Charlie, Charlie, can I ask you some questions? No. So that's just my chair. Charlie, Charlie, can I ask you some questions? No. Try that again. Charlie, Charlie, can I ask you some questions? Is that yes? Yes, thank you. Don't know what question to ask. What shall I ask it? Charlie, Charlie, are you Mexican? I'm just blowing the straw. Still blowing the straw. Yes? Is that yes? Yeah, cool. Ow. Charlie, Charlie, have you got a pet dog or a pet cat? No. Right, reset. There you go. Charlie, Charlie, can I leave? No. I'm getting a little bit freaked. Charlie, Charlie, do you play FIFA 15? Charlie, Charlie, do you play FIFA 15? No. Have you heard of FIFA 15? No. Charlie, Charlie, have you heard of it? Guess that answers it. Sorry, that was just my straw because I've been drinking a milkshake. Charlie, Charlie, is Minecraft gay? Yes. Thank you. Charlie, Charlie, is your best friend me? Charlie, Charlie, is your best friend me? No. Charlie, Charlie is your best friend Tyler. Charlie, Charlie is your best friend Tyler. No. Why did I have to do this? Charlie, Charlie, can you knock on the table? Oh God, sorry. But it's a bit, the thing's a little bit creased. Charlie, Charlie, can you knock on the table?